Hello everyone, myself Dipti Mehre and my subject is microprocessor and interfacing. First, objective of this subject. The first objective is to introduce 8086 microprocessor and programming in assembly language. The second objective is to introduce basic concept of interfacing memory and peripheral devices. The third objective is to study various advanced processor, their architecture, pin configuration and interfacing with 8086. The fourth objective is to provide strong foundation for designing real world application using the microprocessor. Now, importance of microprocessor or why we are studying this subject. The first importance is a device that uses microprocessor is normally capable of performing many functions simultaneously. The second importance is for the device to work properly, the microprocessor itself has to communicate with other part of the device. The third importance is the microprocessor are used to perform complex mathematical operation like a floating point number. And the fourth and the most important advantage is speed, which is measured in gigahertz, and microprocessor is capable of performing billion tasks per a second. The last importance is the microprocessor can quickly move the data between the various memory location. Now about the subject. First, what is microprocessor? The microprocessor is a small chip which is present on the motherboard inside the CPU, which incorporate all the core function of your computer central processing unit, which accept the binary data as the input and provide the output after processing as per the instructions stored in memory. Why there is a need of microprocessor? As we have seen in the importance of microprocessor, that by using the microprocessor it can perform number of tasks simultaneously. Also the speed of the processor also increases, means it can perform the number of tasks within a second. Also the data can quickly move from one location to other location. Also it can be programmed to do anything that we want based on its instruction set and capabilities. Also it can solve our complex mathematical operation within a second. Now evolution of microprocessor. The first microprocessor evolved was a 4-bit microprocessor, that was 4004, which was designed in the year 1971. Second processor was 8-bit processor, that is 8008, 8080 and 8085 in the years 1972, 73 and 75. The third processor was 16-bit processor, which was designed in the year 1978 to 83, designed by Intel company, that was 8086, which we are studying in our subject. The second 16-bit microprocessor was 80186, 80286. Now there are number of processors come in the market, that is 64-bit, 128-bit and 256-bit and so on. Now come to our syllabus. The first unit is 8086 microprocessor. It was the 16-bit microprocessor and designed by Intel Corporation in 1978. Now in this unit we are studying architecture, pin configuration, memory and bus organization, system and timing mode and also interfacing of 8086. Second unit is input output interfacing. Interface is the path of communication between the two devices. Interfacing is of two types, memory interfacing and IO interfacing. But in this unit we are studying only IO interfacing. The methods of IO interfacing, Then we are studying two processor 8255 PPI and 8259 PIC. All at these two processor we are studying in second unit. In the third unit we are studying again two processor, that is the 8251 and 8237. 8251 is a universal synchronous asynchronous receiver and transmitter, and 8237 is a DMA controller, that is direct memory access controller. These two processor we are studying in third unit. Now in fourth unit again we are studying two processor, that is 8254 and 8279. 8254 is a programmable timer and counter, and 8279 is a programmable keyboard and display controller. Now in the fifth unit we are studying ADC and DAC, these two processor, that is ADC is 0809 and DAC is 0808. Now in second, third, fourth and sixth unit we are studying different processor, their architecture, pin configuration and interfacing with 8086. Now 6th unit we are studying maximum mode system and timing, 8288 bus controller, 8289 bus orbiter and coprocessor configuration. Okay. Now outcome of this subject. Student will, after studying this subject, student will able to explain the microprocessor, its internal architecture and operation. He can apply the knowledge and demonstrate the programming proficiency by using the various addressing mode and data transfer instruction. He can compare accepted standard and guideline to select appropriate microprocessor to meet their requirement. He can analyze the assembly language program. Also, he can evaluate assembly language program and download the machine code that will provide solution to real world control problem. Thank you.